Go get it. Down there, look. No, not over there. Alright, well, you can go down there. Where are you going? You gonna try crawling on the wood? It's not as soft. Oh boy. Oh well, now we're in for it. Now we're really in for it. What's in there? What's in that drawer? Diaper stuff? Boring.